Hey everyone, for today's photo shoot we have our model Mitzi from Priscilla's Model Management, and we are doing another no makeup shoot, which are my favorite at the moment, and we have beautiful golden hour light to work with as well. So we're going to be taking portraits on the Sony a7 III and testing out how the Canon 50mm 1.2 lens works with the Sony on a Metabones 4 adapter. Alright, so I'm just starting off with like some close-ups, so I'm cropping it around here.
Cool.
That's perfect. I love your movement, it looks really natural.
Oh,
so
cool.
pretty.
Yeah,
I
it
love
is pretty.
these. I'm gonna go a little bit further away. I'll crop it like about here.
Sure.
That looks really good. I love these. Do you want to try some with your hands kind of up? You can kind of like maybe hang them on your head, or might get you to sit maybe on the tree would be cool. Yeah, that little root. I don't know what it is. That looks really cool if you wanted to kind of like hang your hands down in the middle. Kind of like tomboyish. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna get some landscape waves as well.
Yay! I love that.
Could we try like with you kind of standing here? Maybe you could lean
Yeah.
into the tree. I'm like the most awkward exemplar of poses. Yeah, that's really cool. Oh, actually, like that is really pretty because the sun catches from behind. That looked really cool. Actually, you kind of just playing around there. Yeah. That's super pretty. I love these. Awesome. This is so pretty. Yay! Let's go up in there and shoot with the leaves. Maybe these ones here if you stand just in there. Oh, that's really cool actually. You're kind of looking at me from the side as well. Maybe you tuck that hair behind your ear. So I'm finding that the 50mm is struggling quite a lot to focus during this photo shoot. It could be because we're shooting with very harsh golden hour backlight, which means that there isn't enough contrast on the model for the camera to be able to capture focus quickly. And it's kind of going back and forth in the barrel and never catching focus. I've even had to switch my camera to manual focus to try and get a few shots like that in the scenario that I wanted the model in. So I'm getting really frustrated at my 50. It's really strange because in the Sony a7 II, the 50mm worked like a charm, and we shot in this exact lighting as well. So I'm not really sure why it's not working properly with the a7 III. I'm gonna have to test it out again in some different lighting scenarios. But I'm gonna switch over to my 35mm 1.4 Mark II because that is such a reliable lens, and finish the rest of the shoot off with that lens. Oh, I like that. we do one where you kind of bring your knees up as well? You can even, if you show the knee that's closer to me and cover the other one instead. Yeah. Perfect. And I'll just get one a bit further away. Beautiful. Feel free to move around as much as you want. Like you can kind of sway your arms and kind of pretend step and kick your legs around and stuff would be cool.
Cool.
Beautiful. That's really nice to the side. Kind of lean into your, like you're hanging over. Yeah, pretty. Like, what am I stepping on? It's like squishy.
Yeah.
Wouldn't mind doing some with like a little bit of your hands, like caressing yourself. It would be nice. Kind of close. I just like to warn people before I'm like, hey! And maybe even like tucking your hair behind your ear would look nice. Yeah, that's perfect. So for this one I was thinking like an over the shoulder kind of portrait would be cool. Oh, like that actually, that's perfect. So we just finished shooting and I'm so happy with the photos that we got today. I ended up switching from my 50mm to my 35mm because the 50 was having issues focusing. As soon as I switched to the 35, the focusing was spot on and really sharp and really fast, even though we were still shooting in a backlight situation. So I got the last few shots of the photo shoot, the photos in the white dress, all on the 35mm. If you haven't checked out all my other photo shoots on the Sony a7 III with a bunch of different Canon lenses, I'll leave them all linked down in the description below so you can have a look. Otherwise, please let me know which photos you like the best out of today's photo shoot in the comments, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!